52. What's your favorite way to evangelize? Do you like to go out with your church? Do you work better in groups? Some of us prefer to be one-on-one. As you think about that answer, remember 1 John chapter 4, verse 20. Anyone who says they love God, but they hate their neighbor, they're a liar. For how can you say you love a God whom you've never seen, yet you don't love the friends and family that you do? As we plan our crusades to take the gospel to all the corners of the world, please remember that those in your own house you share the gospel with may be the most important evangelism you do in your entire life. A Sunday performance is nothing compared to showing those that live life with you daily that Christ is real in your life. God bless you, Group 52, this week. Look for how you can share the truth about Christ with those you grew up with, those friends and family members that know you, that can testify they've seen a change in your life. God bless you, God keep you, and have the best week of your life.